ngai baturu siri ngai bato vegete nandi ngai to kogenda uchi so that ye karoto go choro morai ogocha the incoming maybe governor incoming the senator incoming women rep incoming MP incoming MCA inkibawo chikotokorera as you see right now tenga buna dirikarenga you nabora abenga to go choro monto through the kiama but you ogo choro monto through ngakyo monto yo akorekana ne bikorobia ye kiagara you see sometime abantu abange babere compromise at the end of the day twanyoranga twachoro monto te gotokoni
twachora barabara babe
unabono for example the last 10 years we may say ngalende nawana mugabara ito egasi akorengia goso korengia but maybe we have got more questions than answers ikiagira mnabono karo national government got my resources got my thing a Kisii county you got like 9 billion and then the grant yet another like 4 million. So if we just calculate this money for the last 10 years we can say chese cheito chia corregas
gosenjira
corregas ikiagira at the end of the day this is taxpayers money and then we want to sing a Kisii itongo shainiere Kisii ito yara kanesa magendro na Kisii ito nebwate omorai amaene ogo kolere kera buna chiwese those 10 years onye chiwese chinji correct gas then it means we are again back time or we go back to square zero. For instance totebenga buna bono as a Kisii county, even the Kisii town. Let's try to look the Kisii town in Kiamagan Raror. Chiparachi with the Kisii town. Chiparachi surrounding the Kisii town. The estates. Echo, Chiwende the Korosua, na resources as a national government and which actually should be allocated was such cover directed no governor.
Hona kiginjini to board na toka to kora mangana analysis mangana siasa ekintu kwera magenda tari kuchanisa to chora baraya babe go simba baraya babe go simba ba compromise te baga service hona karto kuja kera mangana siasa go sto kwanda goro yu mwako no bwichukura itanga tatura mayana nda ko boli engineer ebyombe bigose ensi to ya Kenya ni ariganeti asobo chori wonne bu mwako yo kolenga naye asebyo mbebe IBC judiciary nebyo mbebe binde no bolendi ntu yari tu isobo joli one
according to IPC we can say nganere prepared onye togote baiga they mean what they say and they say what they mean. What do I say so ekiagara you see korbono buna wana this small nomination ya berete nkwaro che buna bono nga abantu bacha bakora that nomination paper sichiringire chikawa marked already, which means that if that trend continues it means no nyene obora yobonene it's going to have those values. So unless and otherwise IPC ifunge yo those loopholes then it means still we are going to have a problem. Ekiagara you see kwa rabna bono I think kwa last time omo bongo kuru Katundu South
Moses Kuria
awatanga ki fulani na fulani tuko wote hapa sisi ndio tulifanya hivi na hivi na hivi sisi ndio tulifanya tukaipa hivi. So what does it mean? It means if that system continues then we are not going to have a fair, credible election in the 2022 coming to 9th general election. So it means all these things are for us to have that fair, credible election. Actually it must start from the leaders so that tochore abara ibarabaya otherwise we still marking time.
Bononga kebyo mbebyo rojibita kereko kora egasi amo judiciary IBC nense miriyo borendi ento jono mugwasiri borendi we merago te abuna bara umpare tayari kabisa no nego chikwena na transition kujero kora kana senjere nga kebyo mbebyo roje nga kibigo chokora
initially ayaka bere kiombekamo for example nyapanyaranga ni ODM nere kurani from the grassroots ekara ya bwire so it includes this other evyombe but now it has come evyombe one of it together they work as a team and remember when you work as a team you are always having a high chance of winning. Ekiagera lirikare konyoranga gose onye gosibuna for example ya renge nga no DM ya renge konyoranga nera yoke komnyaka so this yaleta this other ebyombe so that this ebyombe bibu at NSA because already ebire observed go just the main chama konyoranga nyegose no DM ya leta ebyombe so that these people mbabu at NSA powers but now Bachirama, which means that they have got equal powers. Equal powers, it means they have equal say. What they equal say, then wherever there is a problem, now what they say, go stand. Now what they no, my friend, here there is a problem. Therefore, that's why we have to be in a county because again, BBI was a very good thing. A good thing in the sense that you know, initially it was the winner takes all. Yani ngabononga onyo go seno DM yaira na neri transfer gambi. Nobody is having any power. One of the rest they are in the cold.
Actually
it was a good thing. Only that thing around the Siasa gacha. But to me it was a good thing because you know BPI was stating that immediately the second running up you become automatically opposition leader in the government. In other words,
lakini bono BBI ekara bande barote ana BBI achite korosi birogo bya bantu bende na prime minister or deputy bantu bakarana ibirogo yo chikorosi tari bintu binde byo konyo mu Kenya.
Nkwaroche kare serikali ya Mwai Kibaki. Actually we had the seat of the prime minister, deputy prime minister, and others. And actually, during that time, that is the government that we had. All those development through Chigabona as a country, it was that because of that sharing of the power. Because everybody was having that power, nobody was having the rights to go maybe that the rest that does not allow but make the
lakini wage piringa kuganda goro engineer because yekera mabagaya creative ya prime minister deputy na ndo jense itu ya Kenya again the kusuma mangana economy
well for example like that unabono ekrata watana the wage bill unabono why do you think unabono the universities they are fearing to invest? That wage bill will not be a problem because the moment thing might as a country settled and more investors will come. A lot of they'll come and pump the money in our country. The factories will be there. It means that we'll have more resources. When you have more resources, actually now let's talking at those nafasis here were created. How many are they? The very few nafasis, and which the government can manage. A government never got about what economies about if we create this maybe this for the prime minister, deputy prime minister. Actually, those are the seats here got the headache in the other people. This money. Of course, once you know the economy is stable, the idea of money coming a problem is not an issue. But now, for example, if you see right now, maisha again the gokina. Why? Because even the investor is no I talk invest is already sure. We go back to chao as what my thing at the end of the day, there is something. For example, naga kisi. There are so many things. We have got so many resources. I don't think in an area proper. Munabono, of course, then the Omwoyo itongwae. Or you are very nine to nine or but there are some things that we have to ask. Munabono na beke factory gari amatoke, but it is too late. Mate, him as a governor. You cannot open a factory in 3 months for retire. Actually, you have not realized the profit, the importance of that factory, so that
lakini wana nyonye beka ngito muntu ko chiko service rende siasa na bako nyeganda
when you hand over Gambi, it had to starting and what grand office. When are you starting something that actually it has not done anything, but really he has done something good, which of course we congratulate him. But then there are these things that we are seeing. Had it been that this thing was started earlier, we are somewhere. But now it is too late, of course, which we have not known where the problem might take a point and take it. To my thing and take now, taking what some weaknesses whereby you can again pump in some money so that this problem can be solved. So, but it's like in egari to my team after to my how you control it.
Iko to tebe no ko iguru gwe factory se magenda ya gocha koruma rate go chi asichkura ya gocha affect no ne serikali oso.
No ne serikali ikia no monto kogenda no even if the new coming to get any history. History ngaki again take it has been for the maybe 3 years, 4 years, and this is the income you collect. But you see, it's like you are starting something fresh, automatically the impact automatically where you are heading to, but you are just starting. So it's like you are just a newcomer. Once kutoa uchafu pengine wiko huko. So kuweka those things very straight, it also have to take your time. Yes.
Bono to kadoro ukwanira. Nomination sinjia kora tu jeji pati au imensi itu ya Kenya kusianja kora tu anjia kora tu nomination sinjia kora tu eji ko reflect ko seji korke ngito jokora bachori wonne ebu makoy.
Actually from nominations is a key to maybe the winner or the loser. Kwalo kino nyana abantu ba kora nomination. Even the turnout was not very good, but then whoever won up this time they have not declared the winner for example the ODM. Now ODM, you know what they want is like they want any candidate back in an area we can analysis but you're not popular, you know, they have not to put somebody in a place or let down because if all goes you know, it means we can't back support. Support no calling from the MCA, from Mupunge Kero Mupunge Nero and the parliament. You know, for example, I don't know what's saying about the work of an MP. It's very important in the parliament.
Wakwani ya mangana ODM na no machoge burabu na machoge jambara be kamondo. Urujike ndenge chiko ba affect ase obachori burusi ekiarika tukuri county ya Kisi tebwa nja twarte mubunge bu ODM igache kutwaro imeke keroba korto obachori oboke by election. Urujike ndeke asense moya siasa kuirakire ukonyuru
because now akaro mochumbo kurukuna imeka choretu koru bonchali. Thereafter tachiti cover somebody or aggressive either in the back either na say constituency aye aralenga what is there deleting kia tikete ngaya tikete nkia bwena takora so that yagender, but I think akagenda underground. So let's speak, but then maybe on don't you know, we have to speak these things. Now, it will be very hard for him to come back and request or ask for the re-election because of Nkia Korate. And sometimes Navera Kongo might go to that experience, like now they from the bad world. When you look at somebody, for example, Murai. There are so many things that you look at. For instance, if it is an MCA, an MCA is the administrator of the ward. Actually, is now the president of the ward. And so, yes, I get in Kari. Rico, you Monginago, Itario, Otario, and Yongaya Granze, a Majawa. As in, I say to Maja Tayo, or Montomatic mining, OMC. Or Naga, president, Tamati Mumona, second to someone to get him about the problem. A Montomatic, OMC. It's a match about that bottle, it's an MCA. So the moment that you make a mistake and elect somebody, or Tari Boronge, Otava Konye, maybe because he came and compromised and won the election. The next 5 years, we shall have that problem of marking time until 90. The same thing, nere omweshimiwa omwMP omobunge. This is the person of that chiweza chi county omanyetenga in my constituency abana mbalenga barabataka abana mbalenga mechi batali kwenyara. This is the person aruchi parcel abana abakoleke basome to create that human resource. But the moment moko choro monto mobe still you have, because this is also the president of the constituency. Actually represents that very constituency. For example, the woman rape. A woman rape gasiaye noko represent abangina na abana. I mean abana youth abana abakinyaruka. You know, according to Article 97, Article 97 is Article 97 and 95. Creating and the gender equality, no even parliament. No one ekravante in the national government. Naba woman rent about the powers. You was on a chibesa was I was some money she would go develop in our constituency. Togo just someone to grow governor. A governor, you know, is the sometimes this is, you know, let us not actually elect the politician. We want a manager. You know, this is from point one, it is project. Actually, there's nothing. So we want somebody who is a manager, who is a good CEO. This person, a manager, those 9 billion which in the constituency. And manage that 4 billion which as a grant. Look at the Kisii town. Compare it with the Kisumu county. That we are not talking bad. But if you look somebody governor I'm here for 5 years only. But if you go to Kisumu, it's London. Yani you admire that city thingaki anganaintu anganaintu Kisii tunajivunia.
Ikona kwa tena account yetu ya Kisii kusini ya Nyamira nduriko cho togo politicians nduriko cho managers.
Well, of course they are managers, but then as we can say there must be something wrong somewhere. Either Nabura nyole manager gerengia or you're a governor, but behind below him, they are not doing their work properly. But at the end of the day, who is answerable? Answerable. So it's easy duty to sing and know these things. We can, you know, there is a time while I walk just in the street. The project the same thing as the governor, as well as because he's our manager. You know, I want to see about he has to have to create time. Or private hours about maybe security. That project that I awarded somewhere then. Is it well done? Him as a CEO Nando Montokakara, Your Excellency, we have done this thing.
Bono engineer nto bwate kusiga iga anene krato wanto kwa na mangana siasa nkigeko era abantu to bago chora kiama mbakuliri umuntu to tena umuntu usino DM ale go se UDL ba chora kiama bati go chora umuntu kingore kere na noena magenda.
Exactly. Initially, you know, for example, like for example, togi andana to be kebono na ODM. You know, when you look at the top, for sure, mwako korokunga raida ya dipinada a performer. Otoru siria tamba kwa rebintebi. Bono, you see, ekarago kwendos or somebody nabatanga this person might be like him, but in the real sense, it's not that person. So you know that assumption this person from ODM is a good person, but in the real sense, no month to what your month they say. So that one has really affected. So nakingo tenga muna wana bakusiba minto. Sometimes let's not looking at chama toko chora. Can you just look for a person? Maybe kora bio monto. O monto yunga kia kora. The life history ai. Karango trans kora ketran kora the trans kuma kinga inkia korete. Nga kim to bia ya korete. Na do monto bibangete. Kera banta banga para konyara bago chaga iga ba chane monto korisa ruli. It comes with a lot of money. Odri shigari o kora ki. Monto tenga kinyara bieka. Monto tenga ninchi monto le mtakete. At the end of the day, because of that power, money power, you know, sometimes power was go got some effect. When you're the right person, you're correct. The right person, you're the corner. Baira wrong person. No muntu ye kero mata akora use CI. First thing you okora no kuchikora rika CI.
Ibon ogosero kumeti na bakonga fota ogo bribe umuntu goseko umuntu riagi.
Yes.
Nkiombe ebyombe bine bitenenete na sobo chori biko kana igoro yembwe yogosera. Kweteri ko bekere miro bya bene eri kwena kina bantu mbali gosera gose mbali kwena na chibese bama gojoru kere na benga eri kabese.
That is now IPC. When to gokora mekakati eyo. But then the IPC as a body te kunyara kubanga nebwa ati omuntu bakomuji omuntu. Ekiagara these people abagosera na barumba bwa their system yogosera. Kera for example montaje bwo tuko agatenga mambia chokora ya bwa taiga. Of course IPC nemanyete. Te komanya. Therefore at the end of the day what instead of wachoro montoro moronge wachoro montore amonto tayo moronge. So normally igone bwate ifekere kumusana and unless wono intuna barai bose abantu bali wono ba mwana inchi we kabarole ngaki amaene eno onyo monto go tokore kwerende tianga turaligereri muna for example you see onyo ro monto go gose muna wana okay so to speak na boko nyora nga abantu mbare ko cho monto cho ikaranza galia osera abantu go sensora sin. But now let's narrow down and look the history of this person ngo monto apart from ogosera what other projects are current in the country. Go same project go sana konyire go singe into get gari go saga cha karosi no sana ga nsoko go cha ga sa kale queen other ni go sera. So already montoye kare ko moreti kabreyo it means montoye ina bya uchi gukora tabu ati that habit yo uchi gukora any development. For example muna akonyoranga buna amount before kare kwenda kwa yaranga monto nsakinda karosi ya bantu ibintu gete gari agakora gari sine market gari akora omuntu na no kora monto sometimes to tianga tomateme lakini in the event that monto alikuja na gosera actually monto ina yako baira ekigara you see omuntu omia rocho Brighton omuntu omia is that person or whatever how to to look for your cake or how to fish your fish or somebody's money. Is somebody to show you how to fish
a fish.
For example, the youths. The youth you might know about it mangana makong. Akonyora ngekarabasi I don't they are not people. But Rinda Bantaba after that was there. Naibabuji.
Mbabwa sebawoji.
Yes.
Bono ase county.
Lakini umuntu yara kwa ngaki mnaona gosene tatenga twachoro mugaba nomia. Ngoma nomia no for example mna trochi mna sawa tumagranga gari. Tuwataleta korosi
factory ya
MSC tamange factory ya ere. Kare factory ya ere. Actually ya observe ya bana bali ngaba akoro university who are at home bakore techiko singia actually babwena tukoba somewhere. So that we manage this factory. But now because you was at the end of the day, akuna kitu. Bona bana basumbogete they're at home. Ogosera wakore kwaere. Abana becomes now banza kwa now if you see the industry of yechi piki no abajire. Pako ngomano na korte university lakini watabuya because tabu ana namna piki yako.
Ikobono muchando roji no ere uyobu ogosera no ere
unless of course it's very hard lakini unless bono amuntu turanyoro umuntu mokongu nando umuntu mia elinde atobeke burungu bono for example the governor we look so many things to ask. We have got so many questions to ask than answers. Governor toji gochora bono kuikata omwerekeo yongangaki abantu baye ba gusi that is kisi town agenda kyabwata agenda ya eneli ngakyate kwa veka abale minga kyate kwa veka so that mnaona you see like now for factory chia kwete kale ngakyabanta bako baveka so
lakini bono engineer umuntu nabaraje na agenda erengiye lakini bono uyo ndaje atabwate agenda kile bati chibese cyoko sero kutwateba uyo bwate chibese oetiwa yodo jingo affectira mangana
economy and we are going to be affected unabono as a key accountant about those people who are going to ask for governance it's a number of them tubwate Moscow koroknganere
tubwate kirisio bule tugatwara machogu tugatwara simbarati
tubwate of course
tubwate nyamwe abange
but let's look at the key ngaki abantu abari
abantu abonsi engineer na kiyo mbare bagotima na kifeta bara batero gotima na batero kimandero
tarenga bona for example asomonto buna bona tro chomonto koroknganere machogu after being the DC and after being
Machumbe
nyari bari masaba we can rate him somewhere because if you are calling to biroje
kiro monto bona rate gu nega sieri akorere
aya togo cha somo Moscow korokna Simba. This is a very young man who is very aggressive and actually a good person. I personally have met him one time. Lakini rende that time kontara ikalende this time I was with Chumbe. The only beauty about this guy is somebody who can sit down and you reason together. When you reason together, it means you dialogue and get a solution. Okay, it might be that even but you know, as a leader, the people are under you who can deliver. You know, your position cannot be rated anything because already beat it on can even to your correct. Therefore, we hope ngabantaba mbachikoba abantu bali bawe karanze n'abantu bachora abantu bari very good planners baraji konyora ngaki buna for example tonyora ngatwanyora kibese kiri kigoro for the national government allocation of those resources
Bajirete kuja account
and bajibeka saving tabireke ebintu bironge so that ebintu ebijyo benefit the youths actually abantu ko totigera bana abantu ko pare kwende ba to bogambi na wujimoto is the youths I want about the problem all over the country
bono ntubwate Kenya kwanza coalition na tukatwara na Simio ekoma konyora na into abantu be county etorigireti goromono twarigirigiro yo president tuebe birogo ekende ngo affect kere twarigiriri goromono tueba
yes. Now, for instance, unaona unawatewa Azimio na
Kenya Kwanza.
Now, when you look at the Kenya Kwanza, that is UDA.
Kenya Kwanza ni gebwate UDA katwara KNC.
Exactly. This idea of mama mboga, makanga, sort of what muntu wa pikipiki, muntu wa bodaboda. Well, you know, let somebody come with a strategy and with a point. Inga kiaba because togonte inga mama mboga ama mtu wa bodaboda mwenye for example akwenda shule aende kusimamia for example ministry of finance ama ministry fulani angesema hivi huyu mtu wa bodaboda huyu mtu wa mboga to find a strategy on how the government is going to support. But how to form the government, it's a strategy. These are the majority. I care about the majority. When they are convincing and inga one mama mboga and all that. Na no rojina was a rokonkororo. No ba waka because this person is targeting abanta no barabang. So abanta so kongakera na iride.
Azimio ren.
Azimio. Okay, abanta bange, you know, actually abanta bange. Those are people who are experienced. If you look at that, no nekere campaign ya bekere gokoru. Yo koranga abantu ba Azimio. Actually, if yourself you look, na abantu ba experience. Ni watu wamekoma na ni watu wanatama. Abantu already they have just ba korre kwerende ba korre kwerende ba they have been in the government. They know what they are doing. Actually, what now these people they need is to find a strategy on how they are going to run the government. And by that, for example, if this is, you know, this is the person who can make the investors. The last time the Prime Minister Kibaki as the president, narrated about the investors. Actually, the economy I've been change. You know, investor. You know, there is no any investor who is ready to pump his money in a country. At this country, ni watu wa kupora pesa abantu barororo n'abantu you look for example to atari bintu no for example nakumat these are factories abantu they invest right away because of the tax wale kwa wenene na ndo conditions anatoroka
bono gwatebire na abantu ba Azimio barabu watu wamekoma.
Okay, they might have their differences ndio kana and we cannot rate them they are 100% good. But you see the most important thing are these people ready to dialogue? Are these people very ikaranse abantu babangu nga kitoko bange serikali gosi no muntu wikaransa dictate. You know, Azimio is picking of all those chairmans.
Bono inki kiko difference between Azimio na Kenya Kwanza ama samangana siasa.
If you look at Azimio, actually they are moving we are together. People with the brain, people who can just sit down and but when you look again, look na Kenya Kwanza, unaona kampeni yao ni matusi. Ni matusi tu. You know, a president, somebody called a president, it's not somebody you joke with. This is somebody who has powers. Zingine, they are not seen. They are behind here. Now we're looking at the president, but now what the powers is hidden. So this is not somebody kunya korotebite. No muntu kumatenga kyo ke fanto ile tako kwachora and therefore tiata question.
Igo bono Azimio ere sekoira ekirogo nigo chikobayandi shi government igo chikondera. Igo na wote abana umuraibu ensur Kenyatta na chikutikara koba asensemo yobuga.
Not umate Uhuru Kenyatta as a person. Not that ngani gata gete achikoba soborai. Asokochikoborai as a handshake. No, the thing if for example anything happens, where am I leaving this family? I've gone maybe nimeenda na ana yakarorega ngwibangete na nyumba yao ngaki a family ya nevega. If anything happens, where am I leaving this family? Or himself as the president, we are his people. Na ana hapati ngaki nikitoka kwa serikali, nikitoka nimehand over the power. Where am I leaving the Kenyan? Gango watika ase mikono ile yani matentu ase bible ntu watu mora yeomo omwanongo one of the king ekera isakwa akakora ke omwikijana ke ganza kwa attack 4 times. Actually that's what we are seeing. Because as me already from the history, which of course unless somebody is proved guilty, got a canering the leader of Azimio, there is some issues.
Bono ngwira na tore kerto na sumutu mokego tuma kwera na ngobolina na nduru Kenyatta boni garaje njibirengeria tena on Kenya Kwanza kiana bo nere mwanya bantu bago change na scenario ya Kenya ne change ya sense ya siasa tore na sumutu mokego ndo kwera mayo kwandra ayomo na manki mwachumuriria toska.
Thank you.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu bw'omuguzi Enyagitari ya Tenacious Herbal Center nigo bakurwalia gutumika maryogo yemete amarwiri buna asthma, arthritis gusukubimba kwa maboko n'amaguru, fibroids, diabetes gusuburwiri bw'isukari, cancer chonsi, libido obuboro burwiri bw'ikinguru cy'abasacha, high blood pressure gukeyo bulito bw'omubiri, amarwiri yerisangwa, chi allergy, gastritis, fistula, bronchitis, epilepsy, ulcers, insomnia na yanda mange.
Kimashini cheito gochigo kurigere cyoka nduto kohereza bunurwarite wata tebina yiga buna boti bikorara gabu ngoigundo bobe igabu gintu gete na gintu gete ngokorekana kiri ekaro twanyorre twakurire tokonyora umurwiri oyo atakire gukora massage ntubwate bitanda bya massage ntubwata abanyagitari bakora massage.
na boku mwakiresimi omu director bw'indigitali yo Dr. Joel Omwoyo ase namba enotisano nebire ibere isano nemo kianda ibere inya isano gosomurikere email gochia info@tenaciousherbal.co.ke Boigo na boku batalira ase nsemo ya kisi jogo ase barai kugenda Nyamira enyumba ya uraiti Tenacious Herbal Center ubugweni uregene soa asu mutandao ensemo ya YouTube ulikirieta Ndizi TV News abo no konyora chibicha siabaria baito bemerubrio ao boigo tonyore as Facebook buna Ndizi TV News aigano Ndizi TV News obwansu bwomugusi
gagombwate sambuli chinyinge
otarekera se chisambuli chinyinge ekero guchaka gusimeka litoke ningagere tori guchaka gusimeka nga gusimeka igo
ambanda kukabekera amara nusu yae gocha igora igo gatigere libagaria lyokwayana ng'ombe eri igekarongo lisimeka na boko lisimeka muna itoke linde lyonse lakini egento okobwati ne chibuti koruri itoka aseri itoke linde okobwati chibuti sa kianda na gochirogoro chibuti kianda korunze iri korunze ne chinguru lakini ekarosi megete litoke litabwatie obwoyo bonde bwonse bobo bwe ng'ombe bobo bwe uleyo igokonyora nga igo likorunse ne chinguru chinke
company ya Davis and Shutleaf nigo yakorentire chimashini ao chekerero icho gutumika simirimo yao asobo korali bwabo nigo bakonia chipamp chiria cyo gutumike engine na boigo ichigo tumike stima nkoni abalikiria cyo gutumika asugusyalira ebimelia mache mugondo cha sprinkler na boigo drip irrigation boigo mbubwate chipamp chugo akamache kurwegesima mbubwate chimashini choko na chobunyansi chi generator chibirenko ao chi solar panels chugo charge chi battery na koga chumuliro na boigo chiria choko bwati amache mbubwata mariogo yugo sibia mache yukonywa ebiabuso nebintu binde binge bigotumika asugo sibia swimming pool nigo vakubeka chipamp chuwa kamache ichucho gotumika stima gose sola kuruwase chibohol gose bisima kuikase tanki yao boigo nechitaya gose birobo byo gutumie sola ekero kwagurire kuruwase bare nigo bagokubugoria umusigo guikase nka yao nigo bagutoka imeyumu chukisi ase bara ya Hospital Road angenebenki ya credit ase roundabout erangi na KTRH bakiresime ase namba enotisano neseto isano nemo ibere isato isano nemo inye isano gose enotisano nemo kianda isano nemo isano neseto eyemo isano neibere marakabire gose enotisano nemo kianda isano nemo isano neseto eyemo isano neibere gose enotisano nemo kianda isano nemo isano neseto isato ibere inye Davis and Shutleaf angoyo bokori imirimo bwao asogotumeka chimashini chekerero Ndizi TV ubwansu bwomugusi
Memang maju muda kerana tak kupati merobek kerana na engineer Omwoyo kerana kuat nama ngana siasa ngaki siasa gendera kerana dia matu kemetinya ne kuja sobat jodoh mana pumua koyo hidia bakenya banyak bakubikira ini na kumua kerumura yuri baragani kujuko bakolera ega emeremo kuri komonto emeremo kiara mana siasa nene emerema kurigia kerana tu juko era siasa kiji kianda mutinyo tana kata tu mua koyo ega kerana siasa buat tense kabisa kiwan noturasi studio na ega anda kata mama boli awni roja na muatu mira mapuli ino weterasi esimiga iga kujirgo ya soma korende engineer itwenda somutimoko na kubolina Uhuru Kenyatta boni gote biruna ni gara sense media simiuro moja mpaka chojo ko bunya kerobo bwikiombe ya simiuro moja soma bwa simiuro moja arisa kujinji birengera libona tevena yaya na Kenya kwanza goji roje scenario Kenya ne chenji go se right na bakwanda
asa ko koraigo in the first place even the people cannot trust him there is no need oshepo mwana ekera rumate mwana otayo pono the only thing hata kama anything to happen we carry merely kama mbaya ni mbaya we carry melinga this is the person na irabanto actually it will be very hard for him go change everything on and tigache of course that will happen but I think it will be first of all it will be a torture to the Kenyans that mental torture no ane bono no anu yao chikotoa was no yara change people will not trust
kiera banta bana bakenya bane baro konyora bako tena ni gara resiti raira batena ni gamura resiti ende ara korra matuka kiera bako tena krean shikia chite ni garo jena tigara ara kora chita mucha intunde ay arobis
well ende as a person I think no ane you see ekarore president you are not alone no got advisors no gwata abantu bakora botuki no gwata abantu bakoganda bakora analysis from the whole country bamanya kokoletera so kitambo always get that decision of making now Raila is my handshake there are so many things that he considered ero manyene tukanga kochora Raila lazima alimtumia abantu bakindani ndani kumayango monto in person nkiabwatse senkora yaye no monto arachore Krajoro we kese serikali akore achiko monjo ke and as you see omonto wako korokunga na Raila kulingana na age yake umaita wono that ile thorax alikuwa naye imeisha amerudi chini ono na baro mugako ametulia na and you see now with this Azimio la Umoja is a very powerful thing whereby every lead of that group that chama as abata equal powers Raila nyoko bomorai ararete kende abantu bamubatenga no that one is not wrong ekiara you see kitamba baswa that Azimio la Umoja there is an agreement there is an MOU
MOU inja majiko tuaro bukorikano abantu bote mbaka bonige MOU ye no enkaro songo te bale ba signed Cyrus Chirongo te bale ba signed mbama I think ya kire boronge na ngo te bana ne likuya you ne affect mangana Azimio
well you know akarawata nga tia sign to ya
ngo te bale ne igintu kiali kireme eba yerere tu no mate
you see before you sign something if yourself you cannot have time to read no gwata abantu bawo no Kalonzo is a lawyer by profession abantu babo Chirongo Cyrus na abantu babera serikali for a long time mbabwa samba duka na analysis even if there is a clause mati na bawe ngana geteria akangana akamo call them to yonse ba de analyze ibintu ibi ba analyze ba matenga these things right ekero matenga these things right amaya koraki and ya kekitani you see there is nothing you see maybe seeing in future maybe there is something he wanted more than bigger share than that but no it was not included or nothing you know you see that scenario ekero mondo korunga matakarua and this other bagachoin ya boy Chirongo bagachoin Azimio akapaki nje peke yake he had all that time that enough time go consultation if I sign this what will be the impact. If I sign this, what is the effect? Or if I sign this, what is the effect in me? And maybe the followers of the Wiper Party. So to me, I saying maybe that is
excuse.
So that you're reckoning, you know, it maybe once favors. To you know, we are made over in more this, but in the real sense. Tindo chingo monto no sign kisamba weke that thing was tiari kirebiri kubsini na marika na anda ka ego time ngaki yenda bono so megenteke karwa so megenteke ko korambi ekeri you sign go korambo bekeri bring it back to korama in mind go koranga maybe there's something again you want to add for example matana tero change yeta koru Azimio Kenya Azimio
lo moja kwa Kenya
to one Kenya so lakini wonde karajo kwa so ya ngaki abintengenge kunya kile because already the wave the country already kwa ya chini and because of visa alikuwa go slag behind akanyana alikuwa ameacha nyuma mate to wocha ekaro bantu bate go score the goal ngawona mate ngakwana to teko mupira twanza wako
ntobwata Azimio Umoja na Kenya Kwanza lakini ekare sensema ya Azimio Umoja ODM kwa machikorana ningirete Azimio Umoja nekero dola Kenya Kwanza kwa machikorana UDA ekikora wana mukonyi bumura bwenze ekingirete asensema ya Kenya Kwanza ebya mebinde bya rana ki etotigiriskage na kiora kwa ndengane yero
you see what I'm saying this the Azimio na hiyo na Kenya Kwanza you know there are those starters when you are a starter for example you come on your arose nyomba ya nega ekarongo ko invite you actually it means that I'm popular when I'm popular you come in you assist me now we work together so we cannot have the same powers sino kweli we can't have because ekero the ODM and other things were say kiameke bagacha Azimio la Umoja when now these others are coming are pulled in they cannot have the same powers as the starter sino kweli ekiara go ikaba benga kite wanaingia ndani ekara ba kuingia ndani na ndio batu are they comfortable with the regulation and you know and the orders of that Azimio la Umoja but they yes now pamatenga what can you offer this and this and we can offer this then they move together
bono gusiga tuteweka tugana Kisi na Nyamira tuatebrina Azimio Umoja nero na Kenya Kwanza nero Azimio ya mwire koreta kire kiama kirige sweta Azimio koreta kire president ani gubernatorial candidate yabo tutebongeli no alidap Kenya Kirisi Obure no alijubiri lakini barense ya Azimio Umoja na Kenya Kwanza ero ya retiro monto yo mukuri kiruke boga wana se county ya Kisi siasa ye asensema ya Azimio ne chiko affected UDA penyagati ose UDA ne ngaki Roger senseme.
It's very possible. Ekiara trochi ase that is Kenya Kwanza the main area you darende. Actually esa kopeka one candidate
baraba akore zoning
banyanga they want to put one candidate this one candidate maybe not powerful not popular oma konyoranga this Kenya
Azimio Umoja
ya letere kire because of that clergyman of idea vingi kile kiama kia letere kwerende montoye actually it will affect the truth is that it will affect because ya wantaba what nyanganya na votes wakinyanganya votes it means the Kenya Kwanza will have a very easy way to sail bagenda through. So again, you see, Brown Kenya Kwanza before Batara kwende Batara asedebe by current sense no, if it's for example like Ongeni as a governor and these others
Ndoba the Manson na Kirisi Obure
this Nyanarati okay fine. I think let's step down for one person because manite mukisambaratika it's very easy mtu kukuja na kuamaliza
ukabona uje banyori gukora bo mu gukora zoning na ndingo badro banyori gose na bakora
uko kandi bona I for that na babanta bange there are other things that we look at this mate no nyindri kale na okore konyora ngabantu mukira abantu bayanye kiro muntu you know once again before again to gara muntu ako tenga na wacha mimi niende kwa hii they fear that mchucho even samani ma ako nyoma muntu ni bintimbira ko nyoma muntu ayo register banga but at the end of the day kwa nyoranga omuntu yo there is one who is popular abantu banjira so another thing na babange be register banga if that person ya ndo manjire na ande ba decide Nyasai ne rama ne rochoro murai na bako nyanga this person can see it through and na bako genda through na Nyasai na bako kwasi enda through for example mna wana buna nya gusiya ito there is so many the challenges there when this challenge is there na bako nyanga ba abuna toko kwana iga abantu na bako ronga ya abantu barochi ngaja abantu ba watu wameelekea wapi vile watu wameelekea wapi na watu hata hii wakikuja na hiyo nini whatever what name them still there's one person people are looking at actually like Kisi count we need a change the change nearing a kid tarinja ngotera na anta whatever inche you know it's like una president watenga ki my one vote na ikonda tenga Breton to akere nyalebe onyuwe na watoko mwakera but rende you see what is happening is inga mwanya bantu nere no mokomo na boko matenga this the right thing ake the wrong thing a yere problem so rende kerere igo all that we saying arende tigango torore when it comes that day of night
gusiga igabanta bange ngorigere ritorigoro ya cransim gusinyomba roje nyomba ubu kinyomba ubu nko affect bole amangana siasa anene none karo abantu bagochorana running mate no mugabana ochorana no mugumene ubu kinyomba ubu nko affect bole amangana siasa ime yorongora gusi yeira twachora bara yabo
exactly unaona ubu kinyomba akonyoranga enyomba wana muna for example like Nyaribari let me talk about Nyaribari now.
Nyaribari
akonyoranga ebwate kambanane this was the chinyomba cyo Nyaribari abwata abakungu osaba nyomba nane abantu abakuruga town bakera mane rogoro they don't need money so ene nyomba nene if these people comes together but then one of this now swallow our bride we want to pick one person na ndaba pick your montoyo na ndaba ke block they'll have an impact for example like when these other people like droche na wana mogabana ko ya starring amount o korokanere ongeri igare nyomba yo nyombenke banta basa kwana bagangire it will be hard for him but basa ko motigera that opportunity still na bako ngenda through yes yeah
igobona ko affect yena mangana
tinyo nyomba ngo affect what so much na ende comment nayo how powerful is that person for example monto na moshimia ko ngongeri we want actually occurre eventebia but then there's tokonya ko worry questions unabono akarale ngoma senator you know to saying what is the work of a senator
oversight
what is the work of a senator in the national government this is the somebody who is the oversee of their country resources this is the person who can monitor the big projects of the national government for instance we need to have governor's residence a year funded from the national government side that thing aki ekeromo governor koruga otigire governor's residence ne governor gochi and then correct yani is like state house ero city
here they are county akisi
you to koranga chivesi chikaro chia tometu we are not just putting anybody in whatever but really which that's why I was saying we have got so many questions
bono na dibori na nigeria boriga orojina aba senator bonjokire baje kuri ubugabana na bagabana bonjokire bali bagosoka kuri obisi bachokire kuri gikero kyo senator oroche nande gobono tochiko egasi ne jikokorekana agochia sama tukare bosio osigo na state utigara sense meme chance
that's why I was saying that these are many questions this is the person na karoto ko morating aki okay fine when you are in the national government because you are the person ekera you see even when there is a problem kwa rojina ne karo omonto korokana this is the former government of Nairobi
Songo Mike Songo
ekera korta magonso abantu bati kumugiri na senator which means that the senators that group nere kumugiri demo ngaki umbobono mefanya na hii at the same time this is the person okurigiri the resources down to the county arenga this distribution of resources are they really utilized well in a well manner so from there karto kubena okay fine almost kongolingo wali ya chikora ngokorale iga you know naba kama apate ngakema ki resources can you imagine if for example 9 million times 10 years ekini chiba almost 100 and something billion plus the 4 million cha granta chigo to every year chigo to Kisii County chibesechi in the 10 years That's a lot of money. Tamatenga ki bunana alengere gari. You see, for example, nkamonta for this project, nkaleta for example like muna muna tulichia bakulima, ngatenga wana ntete kwa change, tukaleta kwa sene chiombe, tukabeke sekwenda kwa mukulima gari ogenda, maybe at affordable price, or go sene ngombe, or with a daktari komonta because these are very expensive animal. Otenga agenda wancha ko go understand so that to empower and to improve the life of this mukulima. Zero.
Bona kingo te ina bona for example to te ongeri bona ro ko buri kiru kibu gavana aise ko be gavana ya Kisii na ji ko remere mu biye kiara mbare ngeno ngwae usino ngiristo bure na mbare ngeno ngwae asense me yobo senate iga sine ji ko kana biya ase county ya Kisii.
Well, that's why it's not me but render from the analysis that I correct, not as an engineer to say somebody cannot be fit or not from the wave of the people even to bar leva correct omate. A good name is better than riches, and the good deeds always gives you a step, a mileage to move ahead. On your Korea, Nado Matinga or young pride on navy to be a navy, Tindo Chingo Montana Colinegas. But from the look of things, it might be difficult. Why? He was there. What we are seeing is just a problem. Also, kuli no ani ge town yo kaga Kisii town. This chipara chitete mali ni chipara cha mapapa. Echika kirenda watenga kirende no nyi no kuli para bana kurugari kuru hospital. Etirimbo keso ke mahate de chakupata na as a Falcon petrol station. Ene para bana te control koroso. You know, even to build these small things or tenga kweli pesa yetu tumeona imetendeka. Ona ntwaro chinga mnaona for example koranga like a sewage system again tekekia kwenda korosu miaka yani kitambo. This is the last time but nenda na tuunga maybe kareko koruga. It is a way of swindling and siphoning some resources. Kiatro jinda banta ban kurbarops adenga kiyo wotigarete tianda correct ndamsa which of course we don't have the clear picture about it, but that's the say. So ekero monto ni ina da tenga nero teka no obisi na be ko be deep kansa sawa na. So that's why bantoro cha tenga ki fine. Tiana tra change the blood na ndo mate no monto mi no yo go ikaranza mate preton na pe karansa ngotenga preton esini ya na te yo karagasvia na wantenga kigenda so fundigete na bakonyoros Brighton in serikali ya Kisii County. Therefore we need 1 2 3 ngakioroje ante we okay ngaki how do we do these things when we consult those the planners, the economists, but in 5 years, for example, like it is a very simple thing.
Sorry.
Punabono gaiga ekichinchio gaito ya Kisii. That's a plant. Yani ngotenga for free munabono some money here kwa allocated toros a plant ekorosi chigas in Kisii County ntoko nyora koreka ganga tukalika mutungi ga 6 kg you are buying at 1500. That thing we could be buying around 400 300. What does it mean? It may create also job opportunity na bantu ga any resource eregari ekordeki eraire esiwe che mate gaiga that's a resource eregari eraire kandi wale konyoro tukomkomia ke resource abana baita nyoro kigasi from there na into to benefit asomwa na nji ini Kisii County
na kigia gerede wakatana siasa mbaya mashambaya ekagere kabo na mangutoje gukwana na engineers ari nyinsa jerere mano na mangutoje gukwana chisa jerere na turojene production ne kontena chinsa chito jerere na manguto gukwana turai tukwana lakini uchesa matukara ankyo no joje ende tukwanire amangana mangime bona saba njubalia amwanju muri ryo tumaje SMS chintu kujisoma chonzi na la kuchuni mumanyi korujinsa majiri che tago ambiyemo na ambiyemo no engineers wogo ikaga you have been a season debate analyst mbiyemo na sang suku digerelia na kwanda igoro ya mangana ya gusi leadership nensi to ya Kenya hawatana Ndizi TV mbele daima oi njoni mumanyi na hara kuna urujinze machirichia ogembo musa umari ngaya nera watana mbiyemo asumuru birtwa kwanire asimambia bono nera watana tikato turangirio muchumba waye miruka ara kwanda bamuboli ngaki enseme iyo ya machoge iranite magega pia mono abanke batumete Gladys Momanyi natumete makwani aiga gotambia mono engineer so go ikase studio era ni mokeira ne abanke batumaje SMS yabo sali yebiro ndo ga ugisoma chonse lakini mwanju muri tugwakirambia mono nyencho kwaba isali kwaba mono intwe kesatwa chagete kaboni lakini engineer tingana lya uri omwe ndiriri kuchesa mwanju muri.
Thank you. Bono, yanda ati abantu bamintona abantu baminton kwantora sobrai especially gusia seito. Egento toranyara kwanora nek. Kwantora ochoborai nande tochoro morai. Oji goto korregasi. Tigango torigaringa. Who is this MCA togochora? Is it somebody who can assist at the living? Atokonya aga protocol kalikare gali gesiko kumwa aga koli kalika sarigete sokerio taiko wacha machi umonto natara iya parapale kalika nanya ro toroseri tiango tulingo mo chumbe oito nanya ro konya naona miche menge bwate problem aya nga wana paito because in future we need a human resource abana nanya ro bakonya tiango tulinga ki omo women rape oito amaene oretre ebintu bikonya abangina abana basubati nini so na myara kwembao tunyare kuli una governor yaito na haro monto actually ona goto atorusi from the where the next step goso no monto na ando ko mark time to konya go chandika almost senator ito na harto renda marito kuru from the national government so that take karto ko korobo cha obarai tunyara koroborai yobia na tunyare koroborai bojo to konya asama to are musio aina are to na ko sawa mosi saji datinga e karto ko enda koroborai to rigara linga kinki nyasero inkio yaji konga but let's look at the person that this person is going to deliver. If he's going to deliver, this is the person we fought to siangalie nga kiomonzi yabwa tena kiaseria ngana ekiara bantu baranya bare humbled be batageto ko rabante guys. I wish for example we could having maybe another nyang another like mondo goroga kamera the
we grivo baranya
kisiga ngato kutagwa hani kwatenga na into na kito kwatenga sometime is good tigango tora go sento tuare torango go sekene nkebe so that abana baito go semba mba benefit kuna woni abana to bwate graduate barisiko there are so many bono you know something very bad wasomira mwana okore school is a graduate omwana is over 18 is over 20 omwana oyo tabwati saje ameoa onyora abana abachiko nandi wanza korageri libago mwate monzo korenga ki mwana na amasomete nanje ajironko
ekoba gasiro
something gasiro tenko onanga mwana nonya bako mwana watenga dadia ata nikeka hapa sasa hakuna faida but then montora to konyi na abantu abaraito kocho ainara na kusabira bakusiba minto muri gende mwana sana asoko choro murai the next time
hambu ya mono engineer soko nyori bali au go just dikira to akwana mangi nande kwasemirium mwanchu murielia nanga kya go jora achora barai barabaya edinde na turasuke go jibosina turanyora magenda na mwanchu muri to kwakirambu ya mono ekara gwachora Ndizi TV ne rubwan sumbusi ditukurira ngila chumatata to akwande siasa na magenda ka to arengene analyst political analyst engineer Omwoyo yo kwanda mangi nanda angikande na acha student to kwanire amangi karoto ende kwirubiri ocha sobo jore bonne bu mwako yo lengi maega aye kamera oyone kuna chibichana maliwa go chera senjera ya bene John Kebati niko to arengena saro ntita sumurubiri gwensakia teto gwakire nambia nayo ko chora Ndizi TV no botame ko tinde ntekenikia nigendegia nsune ni okikotoka ime ya Ndizi TV ne rubwan sumbusi ni gutogo sabera litukuligia lichumatatu tumera litukulia mambia ime yumurubiri gwensakia litukulia chumaine twara lituko ligia.
Yeah.